I will share with you what are the 3 tips that is needed in conducting GR&R in IR 4.0 manufacturing environment. High automation environment does not mean accurate or precise measurement. GR&R or gauge reproducibility or repeatability is still needed and even more in this kind of manufacturing. Hello, I'm Evelyn, a quality engineering professional to help you to become an expert in quality engineering through my years of experience of working with hundreds of manufacturers in multiple industries globally. More and more manufacturing or manufacturers claim that they have already migrated to Industrial Revolution 4.0 manufacturing environment. So let's have a little bit of understanding what is the meaning of Industrial Revolution 4.0. In Industrial Revolution 3.0, we talk about automation. In Industrial Revolution 4.0, we talk about automation with machines connected to each other where they can talk to each other. That means they are linked with each other. And it's Internet of Things. That means you can really control everything at your fingertips. And also there will be a lot of data collected for machine learning. Therefore, data collection is also a key in Industrial 4.0, and mind you, it should be also an automated process as well. In an Industrial Revolution 4.0 manufacturing environment, you will expect to see that data collection is actually automated, where there will be a lot of sensors measuring a key parameters or many key parameters at one time for a variable data collection process. For attribute data, there will be a high-speed camera inspection process that is inspecting the part. Although Industrial Revolution Manufacturing 4.0 data collection is automated with its high-speed sensor to measure or inspect parts, however, this does not mean data that is collected is accurate. You will still need to have the rigor in setting up the machine, the sensor properly to collect accurate data. Let's go through what are the top 3 tips which are necessary to help you in setting up IR 4.0 data collection process to give an accurate and precise data. Accurate and precise data are important in decision making, either to accept or reject parts, and also in process improvement. Tip number 1 is to identify the critical parameters of the product which is important to the customers. IR 4.0 is a machine. They do not know how to identify the critical parameters unless you already have the AI or the algorithm on the customer's environment, and the data can be translated into what parameters to control. You can refer to my another video on how to identify critical parameter using critical to customers tree. Tip number 2, you will still need to conduct GR&R, especially on repeatability if there's only one measuring equipment that you're looking into. Although the measurement system has been automated with sensor or auto measurement with data collection, the fundamentals of verifying measurement gauge on how precise the measurement is still a requirement. You can refer to my another video on what is MSA and also repeatability, and I shall provide the link below. Tip number 3 would be to establish the golden standards. Golden standards is used to verify the measuring equipment's ability to measure accurately. A measuring equipment should be verified with a known measurement golden standards at a regular interval. An accurate golden standard must be established to cover the range of the measurement, and it should be properly maintained. You can enroll in my MSA course at Udemy, an affordable course provider. This course is for quality engineers or supplier quality engineers, where you will learn on all aspects of conducting measurement and inspection effectively to get accurate data, which include on how to plan, conduct, and analyze GR&R for both variable and attribute measurement process. Inspection is a necessary check and balance process in manufacturing. However, there is not much attention given. I will review on the criteria on how to set up an effective inspection process which enable you to screen out rejects to prevent manufacturers or suppliers to deliver bad parts to you, or if you are a manufacturer, then it will prevent you from shipping bad parts to customers. Sometimes GR&R value does not meet the industry standard. You will learn on how to improve measurement process to get GR&R value which meets goal. Auditing suppliers' measurement system analysis process to ensure that they can provide accurate data in measuring critical process output and will be able to screen out reject accurately and make improvement based on the accurate data. And also, what are the items needed to set up GR&R in a modern industrial revolution 4.0 manufacturing? This course comes with 5 templates which include an Excel format template where you can easily plug in the data and immediately it will generate all the GR&R value for you without any complicated calculation. And also a supplier audit checklist on MSA is also provided. Click on the link below to understand more about the course. Do reach out to me through linking if you are interested for a special rate. Thank you for watching and consider to subscribe to this channel which is created for you to excel in a quality engineering career. You can leave me a comment on what you would like to learn and hope to see you in my other videos.